Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to view your Wi-Fi network's SSID and other details on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. On the main Settings page, look for Connections and tap on it. Next, tap on Wi-Fi to open your Wi-Fi settings. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. It should say Connected underneath the name. Tap on the gear icon or settings icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. This will open the Wi-Fi details page. Here you'll see basic information like the network name, also called the SSID. For more details, look for a View More or similar option and tap on it. Now you can see extra information such as the security type, your IP address, MAC address, and other network details. And that's it. You now know how to find your Wi-Fi network's SSID and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Good luck!